Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video we're going to factor perfect square trinomials where the number in front of x squared is greater than 1. So let's look at this first one. We're going to factor 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Okay, first we want to check to make sure that this is a perfect square trinomial. So let's say a squared is equal to 4x squared. We're then going to take the square root of both sides, and we'll get a is equal to 2x. And we also want to check b squared, so b squared should be equal to 9. And if we take the square root of both sides, we get b is equal to 3. Now, just as a reminder, perfect square trinomial takes the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and it factors into the quantity a plus b squared. All right, so if the center 12x is the equivalent of 2 times a times b, then this is a perfect square trinomial. So 2ab is going to be 2 times 2x times 3. So we get 2 times 2 is 4. 4x times 3 is 12x. So that does check out. This is a perfect square trinomial. So it'll factor into the form a plus b squared. Well, a is 2x, and b is 3, so it should factor into 2x plus 3 squared. And this is going to be my solution here. Okay? All right, let's keep going. Let's take a look at another problem. So in the second problem, we're going to factor 25x squared plus 20x plus 4. And again, we want to check that this is a perfect square trinomial. So a squared is going to be 25x squared. So take the square root of both sides. A is going to be 5x. B squared would be this last number if this is a perfect square trinomial. So b squared would be 4. If we take the square root of both sides, b is 2. So 2 times a times b should equal 20x. So that would be 2 times 5x times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 10x times 2 is 20x. So this does check out. This is a perfect square trinomial. Okay, so this will factor into the form a plus b squared. So 5x, the quantity 5x plus 2 squared. That'll be our solution. Okay, let's look at another one. All right, this next one, we're factoring 49x squared plus 84x plus 36. So if a squared equals 49x squared, then a should equal 7x. If b squared equals 36, then b will be 6. 2ab is going to be 2 times 7x times 6. 2 times 7 is 14, and 14 times 6 is 14x times 6 is 84x. So that does check out. This is a perfect square trinomial. And this is going to factor to 7x, the quantity 7x plus 6 squared. Fix that. Oh. All right. Okay. Let's do one more. So this last one, we have 9x squared plus 6x plus 1. So a squared is going to equal 9x squared. So take the square root of a squared and the square root of 9x squared, we get a is 3x. B squared would be 1. Take the square root of both sides. B is 1. 2ab is going to be 2 times 3x times 1. It's going to be 6x. And that does check out. This is a perfect square trinomial. So this is going to factor to the quantity 3x plus 1 squared. And there you go. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe.